Hey everyone. So in this video we'll explore about ADK, Agent Development Kit. Okay, so this is done by Google. Okay, so it seems to be one of the most interesting framework. Uh, which with that you can build and deploy AI agents, and the main theme is like you can build model agnostic and deployment agnostic, meaning you can implement with any model and you can deploy across like easiest way. So irrespective of the platforms. So that's the meaning of agnostic. And it's like majorly they're saying like instead building agents seems to be like normal software development. So that's the major motto of making this kind of agent development kit. So currently they're providing with three popular languages like Python, Go, and Java. So and also they clearly given a documentation like how you can build your agents, and after that what are the how to do the tool calling, function calling, whatever it might be, and how to so they mentioned about agent to agent protocol and MCP protocols and all those stuff. They clearly explain like how to implement that and how to call these things. We'll see all these things in the upcoming tutorials. I thought to do one complete series on this ADK. So this is just a kind of intro, or you can consider it is a as a intro or basic zero version or something. So just thought to inform you like I'm planning to do this ADK series in Python. Okay, so in Python, so maybe in the next video I'll try to implement like first agent. Okay, with the help of ADK, and also the most important thing is like Agentic. So sorry, Agent Development Kit has it's based on Google, and so it will use Gemini APIs and Google ecosystem. And I already covered a video like how can you access the Gemini models, like how to get the API keys and all those things. So you can explore that. You can keep that handy. So we'll implement the agents in the next tutorials. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye bye.